Nowadays, we are facing a lot of changes in using languages, especially in English language. English language is considered as an important language used all over the world. Day by day, we are seeing the accent, words, articulation, communication, written forms, spoken forms, and so on are changing without knowing anyone. When I moved from my mother country to another country, I found a lot of changes in education field. And in my career, everyone kept demotivating me. Then I started to learn English day by day and step by step. And when I'm saying nowadays, people are using different stylistic way to speak with others. So this is my small step to share you all about learning English basic things for learners. Other ways to say a word beautiful, pretty, stunning, gorgeous, cute, handsome, lovely, bewitching, good, good looking, fair, marvelous, fabulous, awesome, magnificent, loathsome. Thank you. Keep supporting me. Like, share and subscribe my channel.